Okay, guys, hello. So I'm back. I'll just finish this one that I'll just finish this true false not given question strategy practice, and then I'll let me see. Just let's see if that's the right one. I think that's not the right one. Okay, here we go. No, not that one. Okay, now I got it. Part 3, IELTS reading and speaking practice on my own. Okay, guys. Now, I only have, I think this is very short. I'll just have to finish this and I'll continue after a break because uh, in, what time is it? 6:47 p.m. now. So, in about an hour, I'll have a Zoom meeting with some of my relatives in the Philippines. And then after that, I'll be back to continue my practice. Okay, so I'll do that. I'll just continue with this one, true, false, not given. I think I'm on number 6. Let me see, because I haven't answered number 6. Yes. Okay, I haven't answered number 6. Okay. So now, number 6, fewer transmitted cancers discovered in mammals than in shellfish. So the statement says outside of mammals, only 5 transmissible cancers have been observed. Okay, fewer transmissible cancers discovered in mammals than. Okay. Outside of mammals, only 5 transmissible cancers. Okay, so only 5 transmissible cancers have been observed, all of which cause leukemia-like diseases in clams and other shellfish. So outside of mammals, only 5 transmissible cancers. So here, doesn't that also considered endangered? Cancer first arose in a single individual, but rather than dying together with the cancer survived by. Okay, in a routine diagnostic screen revealed the second transmissible cancer. Okay, second transmissible cancer, which is probably also spread by biting. However, analysis showed that the 2 types of cancer differ at biological level, and first arose from the cells of a female devil that appears to have first arisen from a male animal. For now, the 2 appears to be confined to a peninsula in Tasmania's southeast. Sorry. Okay, I think I made a mistake with the number 5. Do you have to first? Okay, several thousand years ago. It is likely the first cancer 1,000 years ago. So, question for number 5 is, it's likely that first came into existence several thousand years ago. So what was my answer? Not given. Yes, not given. Fewer transmissible cancers have been discovered in mammals than in shellfish. Only 5. So fewer transmissible cancers have been discovered in mammals than. So how many in mammals? So there are only 2, right? Fewer transmitted cancer than in shellfish. Let me see, because there was a scarcity cancer suggests that this emerged rarely. She adds, before 1990s, no one had observed them in Tasmania. Also, finding 2 transmitted cancers in Tasmanian devils in just 18 years was very surprising. Okay, there was only 2 for Tasmanian devil, and there is also a canine. Okay, other than these 2 cancers, we know of only 1 other naturally occurring transmissible cancer in mammals, the canine transmissible, which first emerged several thousand years ago. So it makes 3. So 3 in mammals. Fewer transmissible cancers discovered in mammals than in shellfish. Okay, so in shellfish, clams included, I think. Fewer transmissible cancers have been discovered in mammals than in shellfish. So 3 in mammals, and in shellfish, I think it said 5. Okay, here we go. In fact, outside of mammals, only 5 transmissible cancers have been observed, all of which cause leukemia-like diseases in clams and other shellfish. Transmissible, I have only 5 transmissible cancers. I have to confirm if it's transmissible in the question. Fewer transmissible cancers. Okay, so that is true, because in mammals there are only 3, 2 from Tasmanian devils and 1 from canine. And then outside mammals, 5. And you get a trick to me saying only 5 transmissible diseases. Okay. So fewer transmissible cancers have been discovered in mammals then, and that's true. Number 6 is true. Yes, true. So I write that down there. I know I'm taking my time, but it's okay. It's just a practice. Now, in number 7, let me go to the question. Number 7, few scientists had found cancers in Tasmanian devils before 1996. Okay, few scientists. So I have to few scientists. And then few scientists had found cancers. I'm supposed to write down only the keywords, but anyways, cancers. Few scientists had found cancers in Tasmanian devils before 1996. Tasmanian devils before 1996. Okay, let's go back. Hello guys. Oh hi, hello Vine. Thank you Vine. Bisita ako sa imo Vine ha, after ani Vine. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you for the thumbs up too. Yay. Okay, I'll just continue my study, my reading, IELTS reading, because I get excited and I want to know if my answers are correct after this. So few sentences. Okay, let me see where. Okay, let me see, where am I now? So in fact, okay, the scarcity of transmissible cancers suggests that such diseases emerge rarely. She adds, before 1996, no one had observed them in Tasmanian devils. So finding two transmissible cancers in Tasmanian devils in just 18 years was very surprising. Oh, okay. So it says few scientists had found cancers in Tasmanian devils before 1996. But it says the scarcity of transmissible cancer suggests that such diseases emerge rarely, she adds. Before 1996, no one had observed them in Tasmanian devils. So finding two transmissible in just 18 years was very. So it says before 1996, no one. But it says in the statement, few scientists have found cancers this man. So that's false. Yay. I get excited and then and then maybe my answers are wrong. Okay, the answer number 7 is wrong. Wrong. False. So I'll write false there. And that's because it says no one in the passage, but in the statement, in the question, it says few scientists had found cancers. But in the passage, it says before 19... Oh, who is this? Hello, Dai! Dai, gimingaw ba ko sa imo, sige ko gunahuna sa imo baya. Magtabi ta day ha, basta mutawag ragyog ko sa imo to bagagyog ko. Maulaw lang ko kay basig busy po ka. Ako undang na ko sa iyo. Hello, Dai. Hello, Dai. I miss you. Ako lang isulat. I miss you. My love. Dai Luz. Dai, ako na lang gigamit ang akong pag-study sa unsa tawag ani sa akong IELTS, gipaagi na lang nako og live kay may pa na mapuslan pa nya ganahan ko excited ko mag-study kung I know nga I'm live. Optimistic blogger, so I will write here optimistic blogger. Di ka ba magawas diri day? Lagi day Luz. Bisig. Okay, day. Basta matawag ba ako sa imo ha? Wala po nga nag-FB. Katawag ka. Basta matawag lang ko sa imo ha? Basta mutawag ragyog ko, bahala na. Ako sa ning dali unong humanhapit na ko humanday, nagkugi kog study kay nagplano ko mo take kog test karong March, mga close to April na. Tanawon lang nako kay tanawon ako ready nako. Sige day, I miss you so much. Di lang magpakita kay wa ko nag-ilis og tarong kay basta lang gid ko magka-study kay magunaw na pa kog ilis, natapulan ako magtuon. Okay, so number 7 answer is false. Yay! Okay, now I'll move on to number 8. Number 8 na ko. Yay! I know I'm taking it slow because I'm browsing and browsing. It's different when it's an actual test because you have all your papers in front of you and you can just switch back and forth. But this one I have to go to my computer and then browse and browse and browse. Okay, number 7, it says, okay, manang number 7. Day, kuan ni Day, kanang, yes, ako po ning gamiton siya sa para sa teaching. Pero, ako lang gud ni, kay, kabalo na ka nga, kuan baya, ano siya tawag ani? Pandemic, lockdown, ya stay at home namin, ya maboard ko kung di ko kuan kugig bisag unsa. So bisag unsa ra kaning akong trabaho basta kay kuan kanya raman mi sa balay good. Unya kani nga test, yes magamit din ako sa teaching. Especially karon nga pandemic, maka kuan ra ko online ra ko teaching, pero I don't wanna take like lots of hours, or I don't want to commit for full-time teaching kay adik na pud ko kuan kuradang-kuradang kay kabalo na biya ka nga ganahan ta magkuradang-kuradang di po ko ganahag unsa na pressure bitaw ko. So siguro pagkahuman ani by or naapod ko plano nga I'll register in the university pag mahuman ko ani nga test ibali kay kani nga test kung ano po ni required para sa university kung kanang dugay na kang wala na ka nag-eskwela bitaw out of school. So required ni siya, then basin hopefully sa September maka-register ko, and then kay labi na pandemic sa university, I don't have to go to the university in person in the classroom. I can do it online. So mapod na akong kuan. So naagapon ko ilingaw day I miss you kaayo day, kumusta naman ka day, unsa na imong naong karon day, gwapa na ka kaayo day. Gwapa na ka kaayo. Ay gwapa bitaw daan. Unya day maguman sa ako. Nakuha na hinuong ko, nalihan ko. Maguman sa ako day ha. I love you day, I miss you. Okay, so now number 8 na ko. RTKs play a prominent role in maintaining the growth of human cancers as well as in DFT cancers present in Tasmanian devils. Imo ning linya dayo kay kuan man ni murag mga medical terms. RTKs play a prominent role in maintaining the growth of human cancers as well as the DFT cancers present in RTKs play a prominent role. Okay, let me write down the prominent role. RTKs, that's the keyword. RTKs play a prominent role. So prominent means a significant role. So I'll write down significant here too. Important, significant, important. And then maintaining the growth of human cancers. Maintain growth human cancers. Dahil nagtrabaho pa ka, dahil. Dahil undang nagtrabaho, dahil kay sige nagira diya sa inyo, dapit, sige nagkasamo. Okay. So, number 8. Cancer, as well as DFT cancers present. Okay. Also, DFT cancers, Tasmanian devil. Okay, let's go to nahiwi. Okay naman tiyali. Kinahiwi, kinatandog na ako. Okay, go back to the passage. Hapit na kumahuman. Yay. 3 numbers na lang. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, in order to see whether the devil transmissible cancers are caused by external factors or whether the animals were just particularly susceptible to developing these cancers, a research team led by Dr. Murchison analyzed the genetic profiles of DFT1 and DFT2 tumors taken from a number of Tasmanian devils. The team found striking similarities in tissues of origin, genetics, how the cancer cells mutate, and possible drug targets. This implies that the 2 tumors belong to the same cancer type and arose via similar mechanisms. The team studied the genetic and physical features of the tumors and compared the 2 lineage with each other and with human cancers. In doing so, they identified an important role. You see, there is play a prominent role, important role. Yay, I found it. So Important role. An important role in the tumors for particular types of molecules known as receptor tyrosine kinesis RTKs in sustaining growth and survival of DFT cancers. Okay, so let's see. They identified an important role in the tumors for particular types of molecules known as, okay, display a important role in maintaining growth. Okay, tumors for particular types of molecules known as receptor in sustaining growth and survival of DFT cancers. Human cancers, also DFT cancers, this may human cancers, it says human cancers are caused by external factors or whether animals were just particularly susceptible, okay, to developing these cancers. A research team led by musicians analyzed the genetic profiles of tumors taken from a number of Tasmanian levels. The team found striking similarities in tissues of origin, genetics, how the cancer cells mutate, and possible drug targets. This implies that the two tumors belong to the same cancer type and arose via similar mechanisms. The team studied the genetic and physical features of the tumors and compared the two lineage with each other and with human cancers. In doing so, they identified an important role known as receptor in sustaining growth and survival of DFT cancers. Okay, it says here role maintain growth, human cancers also. Okay, I'm not sure of that because there is important role with each other and with human cancers. In doing so, they identified an important role in the tumors for particular types of molecules, such as, importantly, drugs targeting agonists have already been developed for human cancer, and the researchers showed that these drugs efficiently stop the growth of devil cancer cells growing in the lab. This leads to hope that it may be possible to use these drugs to help Tasmania. Okay, I think it is true. Yay, let me see. True, number 8 is true. Number 8 is true. Then number 9 and number 10, yay. So number 9, let's see, go back to the question. The main way in which Tasmanian devils fight is by biting each other's faces. Main way. So, main way, Tasmanian devil fight, and devils fight is by biting faces. Okay, let's see if that's correct. In cancer, why Tasmanian devils should be particularly susceptible to the emergence of DFT is not clear. However, devils bite each other frequently around the facial area. So, frequently, main way. Frequently is kind of synonym with main way, around the facial area. Around facial areas, so that's faces also, often causing significant tissue injury. Given the important role of artificial molecules in wound healing, the research Speculate that DFT cancers may arise from errors in the maintenance of proliferative cells involved in tissue repair after injury. When fighting, Tasmanian devils often bite their opponent's face. Often, main ways, so often. So they are still synonyms. It doesn't say only in the face or but mainly, main way, which may predispose these animals to the emergence of this particular type of cancer via tissue injuries. As first author of this study, Maximilian, as biting occurs in the face, this would simultaneously provide a route of cell transmission. So when fighting, bite their opponents often, frequently. Devils bite each other frequently, often, are the same, mainly, so mainly. Yeah, so I think the statement is true. So I write true. Yay, number 10 ako. Let's see kung correct ba ni. 10. There is more than, okay, let me see. There is more than one possible way in which the activities of humans may have increased the risk of Tasmanian devils hosting transmissible cancers. There is more than one possible way. Okay. More than one possible way. Possible way. In which the activities of humans may have increased the risk. Activities of humans, humans increase the risk of Tasmanian devils hosting transmissible cancers. So I'll write the more than one possible way. There's more than one possible way. That means 2 ways. Let's say 2 ways, 3 ways. Okay, so let's go. All right, okay. When fighting, the researchers say it is also possible that human activities may have indirectly. Okay. Researchers say it is also possible that human activities may have indirectly increased the risk of the emergence or spread of transmissible devil facial tumors in recent years. For instance, it is possible that some modern land use may have provided favorable conditions for devils, leading to an increase in local population densities of devils, to a greater competition. Interactions and fights between animals, in which may in turn have raised probabilities of DFTs arising or spreading. And alternatively, each persecution of devils by European colonists may have additionally contributed to the species' documented low genetic diversity, a possible risk factor for disease spread and the ability of the to escape the immune system. So the researchers, okay, I'm already number 10, also identified deletions in the genes involving recognition of cancer cells by immune system. This may help explain how these cancers escape the immune system. The story of Tasmanian devils in recent years has been a very concerning one, says that. This study gives us optimism that anti-cancer drugs that are already in use in humans may offer a chance to assist with conservation efforts for these iconic animals. It is possible that some modern, more than one, okay, some modern land use practices may have, okay, yes, alternatively, early persecution of devils by European colonists may have additionally contributed to the diseases. A possible risk factor to disease spread and the ability of, okay, so I'll go back to that. Research says it is also possible that human activities may have indirectly increased the risk. So possible, that's the word there, possible. Okay, and then it says, for instance, it is possible that some modern land use leading to an increase in local population. Yeah, okay. More than, so this is true. There is more than one possible way in which the activities of humans may have increased the risk of Tasmanian hosting transmissible cancers. Yes, it's true. Okay, now I can't wait to look at the answers if I'm correct. So I have two not given, but I'm not sure. Anyways, I don't want to review. I'll just leave it that way and I'll see what's going on now. Yay. Let's see the answers. Yay. Okay, yes. Number 1 correct. Number 2 not given. Yay. Number 3 false correct. Number 4 true correct. Number 5 not given correct. Number 6 true, yes correct. Number 7 false, yes correct. Number 8, oh no, number 8 is not given. Oh, it's wrong. So right here not given, and I'll go back to that. And there are even 2. Oh no, not given. And number 10 is true. Okay, so I've got 2 incorrect. Let me review that. Number 8. Yeah, this is really, let's see. Then number 8, I know I wrote it down. It is play a prominent role maintaining growth in human cancers also. Wow. I didn't have a feeling that was, okay, so wrong is 8 and 9, which I put true. Play a prominent role in maintaining the growth of human cancers as well as the death to cancers present in Tasmanian devils. The main way in which Tasmanian devils fight is by biting each other's face. This is really confusing because it says often, frequently, so maybe main way is not a synonym of, yeah, it doesn't say, but it says often. Yeah, that's really okay. I have to remember that main way frequently. So main way, often, frequently. It doesn't say anything, so that should be, the answer should be not given. And then that's number 9. And then number 8, RTKs play a prominent role in maintaining the growth of human cancers as well as DFT cancers present in Tasmanian. I don't know why it doesn't say. I thought the team studied the genetic physical features of tumors and compared to lineage with each other with human cancers. In doing so, they identified an important role in the tumors for particular types of molecules known as receptor. They identified an important role in the tumors for particular types of molecules known as, I don't know, I have to review the explanation because sustaining growth, because I really thought that was true, and it says that it's not given. Oh, it's so frustrating, but anyways, I'll keep that in mind. It says in doing so, in doing, team studied the genetic physical features compared with each other and with human cancers. The team studied and physical features and compared. So compared, in doing so, they identified an important role in the tumors for particular types of molecules known as in sustaining growth and survival of DFT cancers. Yeah. So it doesn't say humans there. It's, yeah, maybe that's why. It's only DFT cancers which is present in the Tasmanian devils. So maybe that's why. It's so frustrating. I don't believe this one. Okay, so I'll just do it another time again. Okay, bye now, guys. Bye now.